In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to progress track in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team or tracking your personal projects, understanding how to monitor progress efficiently is key. Monday.com offers robust tools to help you do just that. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com in your web browser. Once the site has loaded, look to the top right corner and click on the Login button. If you're not logged in already, you'll find the Login option there. Following that, you'll be prompted to log in using several methods. The quickest way is by clicking on the Google option. You can choose the Google account that's linked to your Monday.com access. This step is quite beneficial for keeping everything streamlined and secure with Google's authentication. Next, head over to your specific board where you want to track progress. If you're part of multiple teams or projects, select the relevant board that needs tracking. You'll see your current tables laid out for your projects. Now here comes the interesting part, enhancing your table with a new column specifically for progress tracking. Spot the plus icon located on your table interface. It's usually on the far right. Click on that plus icon, which allows you to add a new column. Once you click, a menu will appear. Look for and click on More Columns to explore a range of available column types. In the search bar that appears, type in Progress and hit Enter. You'll be presented with options related to tracking progress. From that list, find and click on Progress Tracking. It's a custom column tailored for keeping tabs on the progress of various tasks or projects, making it easy to see at a glance how everything is moving along. The next step is crucial as it integrates this feature into your board permanently. Click on Add to Board. This action solidifies your selection, and you'll notice the progress tracking column now added to your table. This column automatically updates based on task completion and gives a visual representation of how far you've come on each item. And there you have it. You've successfully added a progress tracking column to your board on Monday.com. Now, every time you log in, you'll see an updated view of your progress, helping you stay on top of your goals. Remember, this tool is not just about checking off tasks, but about understanding the pace and efficiency of your work. It helps you and your team to visualize the workload and adjust plans if needed. Hopefully, this guide makes it easier for you to track progress like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.